Hey guys, this is Arjan with Blockchain Wizard again, and I just wanted to do a little update on Ethereum here. We're seeing a lot of price action movement with Ethereum. We're seeing a lot of positive movement. The momentum is slow, but it's still carrying through. If we look at the last lowest price that we had of 371 back in April, we're definitely starting to see this price move up gradually. The momentum of the increase is definitely there, so there's a little bit of a break here, then it's moving up again. We're seeing a little bit of a price drop in the past few hours or so, but I think this price is continuously going to move up. This is a trend line that I drew a few months back, and it seems to follow that trend line quite well. If we look at the coin price right now, it's moving further away from the 50-day moving average, which is good, but we don't want too much of a deviation because it is going to drop down. So right now the deviation is fairly decent. It's not too much. If we look at the accumulation and distribution, we're definitely seeing this accumulation distribution much higher. This suggests that people are selling more here. However, I think there are going to be more buyers coming in right now. This in this downtrend, you have more people selling. However, the accumulation distribution is going further high. If we kind of trace the accumulation and distribution to the last price here, we see that the graph is going up right here. From here, it keeps on going further up. However, the price has dipped down a little bit, which tells me that this is kind of a false downtrend on Ethereum. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw this Ether price hit 832 sometime pretty soon, and even a little higher actually. So I think we're gonna see resistance at either 880 or more likely around the 980 price range. And just to confirm the movement and the momentum of the price, there are a few things we need to see. We're looking at the 12-day MACD, which is moving average, which is starting to close in and starting to meet the 12-day, the 26-day moving average. If we look at the RSI is above or around 60. And if we look at the money flow index, it's still moving up. It's going further up. The last time we had a money flow index that went above 75, we saw this price range right here. However, if we were to see another price moving money flow influx higher than 75 again, I'm pretty sure we're going to see a lot more price increases over here. So I think this is definitely a positive uptrend for Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to go further highs and start seeing resistance around 960. I'm very bullish on it just because there are a lot of good news coming out of it. Steve Wozniak suggested Ethereum to be the next Apple, or similar to what Apple did. So I'm quite positive on the price point of Ethereum. I hope that helps. I'll keep you guys updated on any new changes that occur, but for the long haul, Ethereum is definitely a strong keep. Quickly, if we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see this. We can see the price moving away from the. Well, actually, it's sticking around the 50-day moving average, and this is kind of creating a pennant right here. So if we look at the accumulation and distribution, it's going much higher. So you can see there was a little sell-off here, and during the sell-off, people bought at that price. Now we're seeing a lot more buyers coming in. There's more of a squeeze on the MACD, and if you look at the overall RSI, it's still hovering above 58, 55. So this is definitely a good coin, and I think this is a stronghold, and also a good place to buy. Actually, I think this is a pretty decent place to have a buy order. Hope that helps. Thank you.